Hey everyone, how's it going? Dylan here. Well, in today's video, we are going to be talking about how you as an Uber driver could make over $100 per hour. So this is something that we're taking a look from our private Facebook group. So if you want to join that private Facebook group, we have a link in the description. It's free to join. You do need to be a driver in order to join. It's just for Uber and Lyft drivers. So if you're not a driver, I'm sorry, but that group is just for drivers. And we have over 20,000 members in that group. So go ahead and join it if you'd like. But this is a driver who made over 100 bucks an hour, and we're gonna take a look at it, right? So this is why you subscribe to the show. So you subscribe and help us get to 200,000 subscribers, and you also learn these cool tricks in the process. So before we get started, we did want to thank our video sponsor. Our video sponsor is carproductsusa.com. If you go to carproductsusa.com, you will find products that are much cheaper than you might find on Amazon. Car vacuums, car fresheners, car cleaning products, car phone chargers, dash cams. You find dash cams on here that are $39.99, much cheaper than on Amazon because these products are actually straight from the manufacturer. So go check it out. Even here they have car throw-up bags. So we do have a referral code for you to get an additional discount as well. Go to carproductsusa.com, help support the show, and you in return get everything you need to go ahead and get started. Okay, so this comes from Abir Hassan. He said this. He shared this on a post. He said $378 total for that night. So he went out and drove. He lives in New Jersey, Philadelphia, New Jersey. I didn't realize that those towns were so close. States, sorry. Town, state. Got a little mixed up here. But he drove Sophia 109 miles. I don't think you're supposed to share their drop-off address, but sorry, Sophia. They're going to university. I'm sure it's fine. But yeah, they're a university student, Rowan University. And as you can see here, it was a 2-hour ride, 110 miles, but look at the pay on this, $240.36. It's absolutely incredible, my friends, to get over $100 per hour when you're driving for Uber. And keep in mind, you do have to drive back, but the way you do this is by hacking destination filters. So how do you hack it? Well, basically, as soon as you get to your drop-off location, you want to put your destination filter to the general area. Now, you can either, the way you want to hack it is you want to make sure that it goes on a popular road. You don't want to, put it over here because destination filters, it makes sure that your route is going along, around 5 to 10 miles. They're not going to send you any rides that are going out of your way. So sometimes you even want to make your destination like in the middle of the freeway. That way, if you get a ride halfway there going to home, put your destination filter like right here. If you get a ride that goes all the way to here, guess what? You only have to drive, you just got paid to drive basically all the way back, and then you just got to drive home a little bit. So, and you can do it again if you'd like, but probably only end up gonna get one, but still pretty good in my opinion. This is an Uber X ride, so you can make 100 bucks an hour doing Uber X. You don't need to do Uber Black or Uber XL. There is a lot of money to be made, and a lot of people say, should I drive for Uber right now? Should I drive for Lyft? Well, I said, there are rides like this. People are spending money. People are spending $200-300 on a ride. There needs to be a driver who's willing to take them. And yeah, even though the weather's bad, you can still make some good money because there's not a lot of drivers right now who want to drive because people just don't like driving, and a lot of people just want to sit at home and collect their unemployment check. But hey, you want to get out and drive, you can make some good money. You can make 100 bucks an hour if you'd like. Now, I do want to say a disclaimer that this isn't going to happen all the freaking time. You want to make sure that when you're driving, you want to see it's going to say 45+ minute rides. So you don't want to accept the $5 rides, the $4 rides. That's the trick. You want to wait until it's a really long paying ride, click accept, and then if you can get a few of those, you're gonna get more pay per hour because you're gonna spend more time driving and not doing these little drop-offs here, drop-offs there, waiting here, waiting there, 5-10 minutes here, then you gotta drive 15 minutes to pick up your next person, and you're waiting 5 minutes for them. You wanna make sure you have long rides. That way you get paid almost the whole time you're driving. So anyways, wanted to make that quick video. Make sure again to check out carproductsusa.com. All items are premium quality and ship fast. A lot of products actually have free shipping, so you don't need to worry about shipping costs, or if they do, it's pretty low. Yeah, you get car vacuums, car fresheners, cleaning products, dash cams, organizing products, Bluetooth, jump starting kits, yeah, first aid kits for your car, vomit bags. So go check out carproductsusa.com and make sure to use our referral code. Just go check it out. A lot of these products are cheaper than what you might see on Amazon because they do come directly from the manufacturer. Thank you so much for watching today's video, my friends. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.